បងប្អូនបងប្អូនឃើញជាក់ស្ដែងភាគីថៃបានចាប់ផ្ដើមធ្វើប្រតិបត្តិការទៅលើការឈូសឆាយទីតាំងដែលគេបានកំណត់ថាជាទឹកដីរបស់គេបាទតាំងពីលើកមុនបាទនោះបងប្អូនឃើញអត្រាបាទអត្រារបស់គេកំពុងធ្វើការឈូសឆាយបងប្អូនបាទអញ្ចឹងសូមបងប្អូនចែកម្លែកបានច្រើនឲ្យអន្តរជាតិគេបានឃើញចឹងថ្ងៃនេះបងប្អូនណាថ្ងៃនេះគេពងឈូសឆាយនេះតែម្ដងគឺម៉ោង 12:53 នាទីត្រូវជាថ្ងៃទី10 ខែតុលាឆ្នាំ2025បាទស្ថិតនៅក្នុងភូមិព្រៃច័ន្ទភូមិអូបេជន់ស្រុកអូជ្រៅបន្ទាយមានជ័យបាទខេត្តបន្ទាយមានជ័យហើយពីខាងភាគីកម្ពុជាគឺអត់មានការតបតអីទាំងអស់បាទគឺអត់មានការតបតអីទេម៉ោងនេះគឺកម្ពុជាចង់បានតែសុខសន្តិភាពទេប្រទេសថៃបានធ្វើប្រតិបត្តិការបាទដោយធ្វើការឈូសឆាយនេះបាទនៅទីនេះផ្ទាល់បងប្អូនឃើញណាបាទចឹងបងប្អូនធ្វើការចែករំលែកបាទដើម្បីឲ្យសហគមន៍អន្តរជាតិបានមើលឃើញអំពីទស្សនវិជ្ជាដែលកំពុងតែកើតឡើងនៅពេលនេះ So ladies and gentlemen, please share this video as Thailand starting their own activity first, while Cambodia stand firm to respect ceasefire agreement. Cambodia only want peace. Cambodia never won war. But we believe that Thailand still making chaos along the border. As ladies and gentlemen saw in this live, they use heavy machinery to plow the land, as you can see. So we request Thailand to respect President Donald Trump's ceasefire agreement. This activity should not happen because you know what? We already agree upon the ceasefire agreement. We do not move any troop. We do not put any heavy machinery on the land that have not agreed any side of the country own yet. So please, international community, I urge you to see this activity, to watch Thailand action, so that the world could see the real activity, so that the world could understand the real situation. In Cambodia, if you ask every single one, everyone gonna say, we love peace. We need peace. We want peace. From Cambodia's side, we stand firm. We respect the President Donald Trump ceasefire agreement. But as you can see, Thailand side always making chaos along the border. This is not the first time. Thailand have laid barbed wire. Over there you can see. They lay barbed wire. Okay. They lay barbed wire. And at the time, they want to put car tire at the same time. But when they want to put car tire, our people came and asked them respectfully, please do not put car tire. And we also request, do not put barbed wire. But at the time, there are some activity from Thai army. And also this morning, around 9:30, Thai media have posted that Cambodia have bring many civilian villagers, including media press report, to the border at Prechan village. Obaichuan commune, Ochre district, Banti Minh Chay province. They paint Cambodia that Cambodia hire people, civilian people, and reporter, press, to come and to prepare for any activity. That is not true. From Cambodia